Hi crafters, Raquel here with Paints and Glitter, coming along with the Here Comes Summer collection from Tonic Studios. Here's my little sample that I've made for you, and before I go through it I want to let you know that there's a full paper collection. It is absolutely gorgeous. What I've done is I've spread it out here on the table so you get a peek at what will be inside. And just to let you know, I've already cut into it, but the cover here has on the back side what you can cut out using the tags and tickets die set. So that I'll link separately because Tonic Studios has just come up with a way that you can use those beautiful dies in all of your makes, and you'll see some in this mini album that I've created. And then the papers are double-sided. Some of them, as you see there, have foiling. They're absolutely gorgeous. And in fact, there's another one here, aside from that one. Here it is, the one with the little sailboats. I've used that in my book, and that one also has foiling there. So you see how gorgeous that is? They all have beautiful colors, just beautiful little items there that of course are reminiscent of a beautiful summer beach time fun. And I wanted to just give you a peek there, and what I did is I flipped them over so that you can see both sides of the paper, so that way you know this is one side, this is another, etc., etc. So you get a peek there what that is. There are a total of I guess I cut away I cut away the totals, but there's also cut aparts here, so let me show you that really quickly. Super fun cut aparts, look at that, and they're so cute, so you'll be able to use those. There's also a rub-on set, and this has 26 designs. It has the little tool there. I've already used that as well. The transfers are gorgeous. It has a stamp set, as you see. I've used that as well. 6x8 stamp set, 19 different images, and the sentiments are so cute. Absolutely darling for some really fun and happy cards. Here's the die set. It has all of the items that you'll need to craft, to create a little house there, and palm tree, the towel, the bag, swimsuit, umbrella, banner, everything that you need to create a really fun project or a lot of gorgeous cards. And lastly, there is a 3D embossing folder that creates these gorgeous waves, and that's what I've used on my book that I'm going to show you. And these are available as a bundle, so I'll have that linked below as I mentioned before, but take a look at this. It's so much fun. What I've done is that I've used this die set here that was from March Madness, the designer bag die set. I used this for the base of the mini album, so that way you can see how easily you can transfer one thing to another when you're using Tonic Studios products. But here's those darling palm trees, and look at the background. What I've done there is I used embellishment mousse on the paper so that it would transfer that beautiful color onto the waves of the ocean. Then down here I've used it as sand. Here's the spine. I've used a rub-on. It says Sun, Sea, Sand. And then some little banners that I just cut apart. Super easy. And there's page 1. It's got the swimsuit, a part of the towel, because you can of course cut them smaller. And then these are from, from the mini album die set that just released, so for March Madness. And then here are more of those little die cuts, the stamped images I went ahead and used here as well. So here's the little umbrella, there's the sun, and of course I zhuzh them up, I make them cutesy with the little gel pens and that sort of thing that I have in my stash. I do the same with the die cuts. It's just a lot of fun. So here's another hat with sunglasses there, and the matching little sandals. Can't forget about those. And here on this page are 2 tags. Here I've used some of the rub-ons. So do you see how those images are just impeccable? That's what I love about Tonic Studios rub-ons. Speaking of paper, you see how it all coincides so nicely. So there's 2 more little spots there for photos or journaling. There's the little cloud from the stamp set, another little hat. And here, this is the coral available from the die set. Here is the little star that you can stamp out. And of course what I've done is stamp these out in different colors that match all of the papers. but all of these papers, as you see there, are from the collection, with the exception of some of the mirror card, which is all from Tonic Studios, including this gorgeous glitter card, of course. And what I've done is try to match it all, of course, and make it look fun. Here's another page spread, another swimsuit and sunglasses. Here is the little seashell stamp. I love that one. So I just use that in, again, 3 colors to match the background. So if you have trouble matching your items, your cards, getting ideas, just look at the paper. That's the easiest way that I can tell you. Here's another little tag. Now this came from the paper collection, so if you see that, the die actually matches. In fact, I have it right over here. It matches the outline of the paper so beautifully that then you get this gorgeous gold foiling. So you see that? The die will cut right on there, and then you get this beautiful result. Now I cut it twice and just went ahead and used that designer paper on the back so that you wouldn't see the writing, because that's what you otherwise would see there, seeing as that was also the cover of the paper, right? Now, here's a little surprise. You see this little tag here? This is from the Trove of Memories, or Trove of Locks, sorry, memory book die set. If you open it like this, boom, look at that. You get the ocean with a little pop-up action there. There's the little bucket, the pail and shovel, and then the little swimsuit and sandals again. So fun. And then I did emboss again that paper with the 3D embossing folder and some mousse. And do you see how beautiful that is? And it locks right back up. Boom, little secret there in a book. And then here's the little item that I don't know as many times as I try to remember the name of this little thing. I can't, sorry guys, but there's a little belly band. 2 more little tags with those sunglasses. I just love that paper. I think it's so cute. And then this little page here opens up, and I need to add one more little thing here so you know how it opens. But there we see more opportunities here for some photos and journaling. And it's just a fun little book that I put together very quickly because I had to do this so fast. And I wanted to be able to have something to bring you today. So I hope that this serves as some fun inspiration for you, of course. As soon as I have the video ironed out for the tutorial, which is going to probably be rather quick, then I will go ahead and link it down below so that you can watch that if you need to. And yeah, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I always have the links in the description so that you can get your hands on this gorgeous collection. You're not going to want to miss out on it. It's going to be perfect for summer, and I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed. Thank you so much for watching.